haven't done everywhere, but I've done some. Buddy!
As soon as we defrosted, we'll get gone.
It wasn't frozen when I broke.
No.
It was dirty, not the out 8 o'clock.
Well, they said it was 7 degrees last night when we were going to bed. And 2 degrees this morning, but yeah, it's 2 degrees and it froze. Bloody snot rockets.
Yeah, we just get the cold since bloody 8 o'clock. Seems strange.
Right up into the other trail. X marks the spot. Snotty X in the sky. Well, we're starting here today. Hello. Got sun in my face, can't see a frigging thing. Aiming for the lamppost. And the dirty trail above it, which goes right through the trees. I'm good at finding trees. There's one behind us I missed, it was too low on the horizon. But there's one snotting away merrily over there now. Just gone over that house. Could probably get the wrong house. Can't bloody see. So they're really having a good today. Other side at Pennines. 40-50 mile away. There's chug-chugs everywhere. There are planes leaving Contrails. So there's no bloody excuse for it really, is there? There you have it, right across the telegraph pole. Telephone pole. There's a dirty one above it. Right, try and get home this time. Well, unless I see another plane, of course. We've got that white cloud.
Andy, you've got to spend about an hour on each bloody little bit of chemtrails. But I've got to go.
I know, I'll never get the bloody things done. I've got day after day to do.
He sits in front of his computer all day and does oh,
I do. I play Candy Crush. I do. No, I don't do it actually.
you do?
Not on computer. Right, I'll cut it before the van. And another one up there. That one near that lamppost is over that way, isn't it? That bloody sea. Way below that. There we are. Another one in the north this time. Focus. I know. And when we get back, 2 videos ago, we're left with this. The dirty great trail. So for anybody thinking the long contrails, which I try to give benefit of doubt, that one isn't over there, that's the chemtrail. You can see by the makeup of it, it's massive. Right across the street. And as a follow up, there's another one in the distance underneath that one. Oh, the camera picks it up. It's going to be just above that chimney. Quick Darlow skyline. Chemtrails over there, you can see the lines off them. But until now, shitty milky white sky. Get on over this way, and there you got that one.
Just think, when we first started photoing the sky, that wasn't there. That
What?
building with a red facade wasn't there.
Oh, buildings in there.
View wasn't there. Premier Inn wasn't there.
I know.
When we first started filming from here, what was it, 10 years ago, 10 years ago, something like that. First pictures are just very blurry crap.
Started off 2013 with that big orange thing over to the left. The plane for the dirty trail is United Airlines. Registration November 676 Uniform Alpha. Boeing 767. Right across. And it's the only one that is. It's been left a while obviously by the scar, so that's the one.